Before we begin, let's go over a little terminology. We'll start with one-dimensional arrays. You usually access individual items within an array using the array name followed by brackets or parentheses, depending on the programming language. Different languages also have different conventions for how they index arrays. For now, I'm going to assume that the first item in an array is at position 0. Most languages also support multi-dimensional arrays, like this two-dimensional array. In a two-dimensional array, we identify each element using rows and columns, depending on the language. The column and row may appear in separate brackets or in the same brackets. Instead of a two-dimensional array, some languages provide an array of arrays. The difference is subtle. Array items are typically referenced the same way, but an array of arrays can make it easier to create an array with rows of different sizes. Computer memory is addressed linearly. A 32-bit processor addresses blocks that are 32 bits long. A 64-bit processor addresses blocks that are 64 bits long. So if you declare an array with 3 elements, then 3 contiguous slots in memory are assigned to that array. If you declare an array with 3 by 3 elements, then you need 9 slots in memory. One approach is to allocate all the memory for the array in one big block. The second approach is to allocate memory in 3 separate blocks, one for each row. In this case, you need to store the location of each block, which takes up more memory. This is referred to as the row pointer layout.